Everyone saying that AI doing this, AI doing that, AI will be replace the jobs, AI will be make you rich. But no one can talk about the real problems happens when you use AI in every single day. And trust me, I personally experienced this problem in my real life. Hey, hello everyone. If you're new to here, my name is Saket and I'm pre-final year computer science and engineering student. Today video is not about top 5 AI tools, not about how AI will change the world. It's all about you. Today, wherever you go, YouTube, AI, Instagram, AI, LinkedIn, AI, college, AI, everyone shouting that AI doing everything. Use AI, don't waste your time on thinking. But no one can ask one simple question, that is, what is AI doing our thinking? Let me tell you a real life incident that happened when I was in college. One day I reached the college very late. My HOD sir did not allow me inside the college. So I requested the sir again and again, and he said that okay, I allow you but with one condition. He said that write a convincing letter and promise me would not repeat this mistake again. I sat down, I thought deeply, I chose every single word carefully, and finally I wrote the letter from my own brain. And guess what? The Tsar will accept the letter. But the same situation happened me again. I late to the college. My HOD sir stopped me outside of the college. But this time AI was booming. I just opened the ChatGPT and typed the prompt. I just copied the letter. The work is done within the 30 seconds. But something else happened to me. I finished the work faster, but I lost something more important. That is, I lost my thinking. See, AI did not steal my thinking. I give it away. If you use it after learning the maths, it's powerful. If you use it before learning the maths, it's dangerous. Same with AI. Now let me discuss some of the problems that occurs when you use AI in every single day. The problem number one, thinking ability to be destroyed. If you don't think, your brain becomes lazy. The problem number two is creativity loss. When you use AI in every single day, you stop creating, you start copying it. The problem number three is decision dependency. You don't trust your judgment, you always ask AI for everything. But the real power comes when you use AI like this. The rule number one is think first, AI later. First, think with your own brain and then use AI to refine it. And the rule number two is use AI as a mentor, not replacer. Ask the AI, is my thinking is correct? Not about think for me. If I had to use AI like this, first I wrote the letter with my own brain, then I use the AI to refine it. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI content like this, and share this video with your friends who always depends upon the AI in every single day. Remember this is Saket. AI is powerful, but your thinking is irreplaceable.